Blessed Luisa.
Where's that?
Community school.
In
Perna.
Sino si Blessed Luisa?
Hindi ko
Baka yun yung nag-appear kay
Sa St. Si Luisa. Nag-invento pa ata.
Hindi ako nag-invento. Meron yung Luisa pa nga yan.
Oh, sige na.
Sige, kahit sino Luisa yan.
Alam mo, na-confuse ka. Lucia yung iniisip mo.
Okay.
Yung sa Fatima yung favorite ng mom ko, kaya alam ko Lucia. Okay.
Dapat
Jurgen. Ano ba?
Dapat pala,
Jurgen.
kung kundi man, dapat nakabarong ka.
Oo, ba't di ka nakabarong?
Next time.
Sing. Sing na. Sige, kundi man. Here we go. Ang matanda. Track 3 daw.
Nakakaloka ka, John.
This
Walang
is your
magbabago.
this song is your choice.
Parang maganda yung adhikain mo na sa edad mo yan, kumakanta ka ng Tagalog. Kasi parang yung ibang kabataan, gayahin din. Kasi kukunti na lang kumakanta or bihira ng kundi man ng isang batang Tagalog.
Boss?
Actually admiring to see a young kid like you sing Kundiman. However, you were straining yourself in that song. You were not comfortable with it. That's why I asked you if that was your choice. Right?
Can you sing pop?
No. Classical.
Classical.
Yun talaga, parang Josh Groban talaga ang drama ng life natin. Parang gano'n. Okay. Earlier today, not today, the
Yes.
previous day, we had Marky. Isang Tagalog, he's half Norwegian. But may katawan, may tamang packaging. Kumbaga, kung itong Twilight at New Moon, siya si Jacob. I want you to become Edward.
Go, Jurgen!
The hair. Diba? You have to work on the body. Kasi diba si Edward nga, 100 plus years old na vampire na. Pero ang dami na in love sa kanya. Pero si Jacob yung animalistic ang appeal. Ang ganda ng katawan. So may Team Jacob, Team Edward. Team Marky, Team Jurgen. So kailangan you have to give Marky a fight for his money. Which means kailangan makipagsabayan ka sa kagwapuhan niya at sa galing niya. And I feel you have it in you. We just have to let it emerge.
Thank you.
So, ako yes.
Are you being managed right now? You need it. Okay? I can't volunteer kasi magkakaroon tayo ng bias. Pero aralin mo ay tamang packaging talaga at yung tamang kanta para sa boses mo. Pero sayang ka ang anghel. So dapat ma-in love sa iyo yung mga babae. For me, it's also a yes.
Kahit guwapo? Yes.
Siyempre! Boss, diba? In any competition, kailangan meron kang pinagsasabong. Eh ito ang pinaka-may chance na kumalaban kay Marky.
At kumakanta ng kundiman. Kaya ikaw, kundiman ko ko, hindi.
Yes! Go, Jurgen!
Jurgen!
If you like Jurgen, stand up and say yes. Okay, Jurgen, you got it.
Wait lang, Jurgen, may abs ka ba?
Alam niyo pa ngayon, friendship, hindi ka ready.
Kailangan i-challenge kita. Dahil yung Marky, you don't even know him, pero siya yung magiging kakompetensya mo. Bongacious ang katawan. Kailangan i-workout mo ng gusto yung katawan mo para talaga namang even kayo ni Marky, okay? Binibigyan lang kita ng tip. Tama ba?